Let me give you a quick tour of my backyard garden. You can call it as a balcony garden. So it's a very small place like this, square shade in front of the backyard, which I used as my backyard garden. Because I live in a rental home, so I cannot plant anything in the grass or in the soil. So I have used multiple stands, 1, 2, 3, and one more is coming for this side. And I have used this stand for hanging wall. I have a vision to make it as a multicolor hanging wall, so there will be more trees hanging here. So this is my gardenia. These are tomatoes. This is one of the plant which will go after this stand. It's also flowering plant. So here I got some marigold. I don't know the name of it. Also this one, I don't know the name of it, but these are also flowering plant. No. Sorry. Go outside, please. So I have 3 pets, 3 chicken, 1 rooster and 2 hens. This is one of the reason I have to buy stands. So this is the stand for my rose plants. These are my weed killer and fertilizer. These are one of the stand for all the spring flowers. And also this one. This one I bought it for succulent or small trees. So now I put my beds there. I'm not a fan of this stand because this one's good for succulents, like small succulents, but not for big plants. For this reason, I bought this hanging pot. These are hanging. See, these are hanging. And I got 3 chilies as well, which are seedlings right now, and I'm hoping they grow. So that's it. That's my little flower garden. Since I showed you my garden, so I have small pet house for my chicken. That's from Bunnings. This is drinker, feeder. I'm gonna give some food to them. And that's it.